what we're doing here is we're looking for squash bug eggs. And it's something that you about have to do. Look under every leaf. Right there's some. Right here's some. Let me see if I can't zoom in on that a little closer there for you. Well, I tried to show you there and forgot to turn the camera on, so I'll show you again in a minute. We'll find more, I'm sure. If we do, I know we will. There's too many squash plants here not to have plenty of them. But you have to look under these leaves and look good. Just turn the leaves up and look. And probably the best you'll do, you'll still miss some. You don't want to miss none if you can keep from it. Turn the leaves up and look. I don't see any more on this plant. Let's go over here and look at this other plant. It's like I say, just turn the leaves up and look. Just takes a minute to do. Most of the time, it'll be on these bigger leaves. There's the culprit right there was old squash bug. I squished him. Old stink bugs, that's all they are. And they do stink. It's aggravating to have to do this. To look at all these leaves every 2 or 3 days, but I don't have but 4. Well, I've got about 6, I think, zucchini plants. Try to be as gentle as you can with your plants, but most of these bottom ones is going to come off anyway, eventually. Let me get on the other side now. Yeah, you don't want to let them little boogers hatch, and I've used everything from trying to squish them with my fingers to, I'm talking about the eggs now, to what do you call it? The tape. The tape. Masking tape, Gorilla Glue tape, all that stuff to try to stick them eggs and pull them out. I'll get right here and show you a picture of a squash bug. Yeah, right there in the center of the screen is a squash bug. I'm gonna squish him. It's like you're dead. You're gone. So I would assume, yeah, right here, right there. See, he was on there, and right there's a whole bunch of eggs. Let me zoom in and I'll show you how get rid of them eggs. The squash bug was on here. I squished him, and he's laid some eggs right here. Right here, right on the side there. Little golden looking eggs. Take this lighter. You listen real careful, you can hear them pop. Pop them. Cook them. Scramble them. That's what you do. That's what I do. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you could. Just like I say, we're looking for eggs and the bugs if you see them. By all means, if you see a squash bug, squish him. If you see a squash bug, squash him. Look for them eggs, them golden eggs. Little devils as hard as a rock. They are hard as a rock. There was a big one that hit the ground. A big tree fell up there. Just like I say, look good. And for the eggs, and that was a squash bug. I'm gonna squash his hind end. Yeah, as you're looking through, you'll see, occasionally you'll see the bugs. They ain't infested this heavily yet, but they will. Now this one's got some on it. Listen, you can hear them pop. Listen careful. And that's it, just that quick. They're dead. They are scrambled. And then and you know you're gonna miss some. And if you miss some and they hatch, you'll get an infestation of squash bugs. And they make a mess. They're little sap suckers. They're sap suckers. There's one. Where'd you go, devil? Right there. Devils. The devils. I'm going to have to come in here and take some of these bottom leaves off. That there. I'm going to take that off right now. These leaves that's laying out here in the middle really are doing nothing but causing trouble. They're creating havens for the squash bug to hide in. So what we'll do, we'll start getting rid of some of these big old leaves that's laying out here. Look good, because you take these leaves away with eggs on them, they'll hatch. They will. Just look them good. Do what you gotta do to eliminate these little demons. I know it's going to be hard on this plant, ripping all these off, but it'll just have to be hard because they're coming off. I'm wanting to grow fruit. I don't want to grow leaves. So we do what we got to do here. We take them off. And I may be killing, look here, see here? I was gonna throw that leaf over there. Here's a whole bunch of squash bugs, eggs, and I'm gonna bust them, listen. Them won't hatch, I'll assure you. They will not hatch. It's had some on and I killed them the other day. I roasted them. What we're having is a squash bug roast. And I've also, here's another big bunch. You burn them, and you might be take it off. If I find any more, I'll take the leaf off and get a close-up and show you what I'm dealing with here. It's squish bugs. Anybody that's growed squash knows exactly what I'm talking about. They do. Yes, sir. You can just have too many. There's a little squash. Well, I'll leave it alone. I'll leave it alone. Now I don't see, yeah, right here. Here's some. And I just looked over them. But here's some eggs. I'll get a close-up. Let's go over here where I can get you a good close-up on these. You can see them eggs, I hope, right there. And what I'm gonna do is if I can get over here and hold this, I'm gonna show you how to kill them squash eggs right there with this lighter. Now listen real careful. You hear them pop? That's how I kill squash bugs. Kill their eggs. Just like that. This plant's not that old. But actually, it was the first one that started having trouble with the squash bugs laying eggs on them. Just like I said, go through your plants if you ain't got many. And it don't take long. You just have to bend over and dive in. And you're looking for them little golden eggs. And that's, or that squash bug right there. That demon jumped off and thinks he's getting away, but he ain't. That's what them lower leaves will do for you down at the bottom, laying on the ground. We want to get them off. And I need to go through and get some more of those off over there too. That's laying there. My intentions was to stake these. I don't see any more on these. But I did kill a squash bug there. So we know what he was up to, don't we? That don't have anything on it. That's this little transplant I put out. And the last one was right here. I'm gonna show you it. That's the last little plant. And I do mean little bitty plant. Yes, sir. Wash the crud off my hands. Wash the stink bug juice off. Okay. So, I come out here earlier and seen some squash bug eggs over on my zucchini plants. And just like I've said earlier that I've tried duct tape, I've tried squishing them, I've tried cutting them off and taking them away. And the best, I'm talking about the eggs now. The best and quickest way to get them is this little, listen, this little lighter. Just about, maybe on this video you can hear them popping. Because when you pop them, the little boogers is hard. They're hard to squish. Do you think you'll rub them between your fingers and squish them and throw them down? You just move the eggs from on the plant to down here at the bottom. That's where they want to be anyway, rather than that stalk. They will hatch. They'll go right ahead and hatch. And you'll have that same problem over again. This little lighter, not a Bic, but a little propane lighter, it will kill them. Now, the only problem is if you overlook some eggs. But you go out here every couple of days, or every 3 days, just flip them leaves over and look for those eggs. Because without those eggs, and you see a squash bug, kill that squash bug. Because that squash bug's what lays them eggs. And if you kill that squash bug and don't kill them eggs, you'll have a gom of them. So, just kill the eggs. And the squash bug too, preferably. You'll see them. If they start coming in a few, you'll see them. But all it takes is one or two squash bugs. They'll lay and then they'll hatch. And when they hatch little bitty devils, and man, they'll just fly. Got white legs on them, I think. They'll just suck the life out of your leaves. Okay, that's it. I just come out to show you squash bugs and wound up my greenhouse, but that's it today.